Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got a little washi tape video. I got some new washi tapes on Amazon, and then I got some washi tape holders on Amazon. These are something I wanted for a while, and I just recently decided to purchase them. So these containers and these washi tapes are both from Amazon, so I'll find the links and I'll put them in the description of this video. Also, I have some extra washi tapes here that I might put on the washi tape holders with some of the new washi tapes I got. Let's open up these washi tapes that I got. The first washi tape is this little washi set, and I love the color palette. I feel like this is right up my alley, and it's by this brand Simno. I have another set from them. I haven't been able to find it lately, but they have like my favorite washi tapes because it's a slimmer washi tape and you get some really cute muted colors. The other set I have is like pink, and they're just very useful. These are just great washi tape staples, so it just slides out like this. I left the other one that I have in this box and I keep it like this. Then I got this set of washi tapes. I guess the brand is U-Bakes or U-Ba-X. Not completely sure how you say it, but this is just a fun set of washi tapes. I didn't really expect it to come in a box like this, but it did. It comes with a little thank you card. It's a long thank you. I'm not completely sure what this is for, but it's actually kind of helpful because it's just a nice free straight edge. It's just like a hard flimsy plastic. So the rolls are a little smaller than I expected, but I feel like that's actually kind of a good thing because I can't go through that much washi tape. Let me show you why I got this. I'll show you my favorites. These are all my favorite ones. I felt like there were enough washi tapes that I really love for me to purchase the whole set because that's like the only way I could order them. These are the ones that I don't really care for, but I'll either give the ones I really don't love to someone else or just get rid of them. But even some of these I'll still probably use. But yeah, these are the ones I really like. Yeah, so these I definitely want to feature on the washi tape holder. The washi tape holders that I got, again, I'll link them in the description, but they come with two. I think this was like the Amazon's Choice one. Before I always wanted like the orange and green ones, but I'm trying to make all my organizers just more plain so it doesn't look as cluttered. So I got just the beige ones. For some reason I couldn't find white ones on Amazon. I feel like I always used to see the white ones on Amazon, but apparently they just have beige ones now. Maybe they will be white, I have no idea. So these are the organizers I'm talking about. You've probably seen them a lot. Yeah, this is just basically white. So I just got two, but I can always add to them because they're stackable. I want to see how I like them first. I also have some other washi tapes that I can add to these. Actually, I need to find my gold washi tape. I need to make sure they are facing the right way. And then you just twist it to keep it in place. Now we're gonna put on the fun ones. These are like my basics, and the fun ones will be over here. So you need to make sure they're all facing the right way. Maybe I could do this in some kind of rainbow order. Is this all gonna fit? So I'm not gonna be able to fit all the ones I want to put on here because I want to put these three on too. Maybe I just need to pare these down, or I could just keep it with these kind of in a rainbow order. Here comes the annoying part. Actually, just the whole process of putting these in are kind of annoying. This first one in here is really the reason why I got this set, I think. It has gold foil in it. I love when washi tapes have gold foil in it, or just some kind of foil, but I love this tape. And butterflies are still a big trend, so that's why I think that one's really fun. I think this green one sums up my style the most because it's a cute little kawaii face on a star, and then there's these little gold stars around it, and I love the green color. I feel like I don't find these cute of sets on Amazon very often, so very happy about this. This one I also really love. It's like confetti, and I love the green colors. I love green. It's my favorite color, so these make me very happy. And I feel like this was the perfect washi set for me because it has the gold foil, it has my color palettes because I love like orange and yellows and greens and pinks. Pastel palette, less purple and blue and more of these bright colors. I still have other ones that I like over here, but I didn't put them as my favorites. And I kind of like this orange one. Like, I would hold on to this orange one. So these can stack like this, so I can display these on my desk. I really need to figure out my desk and maybe reorganize it because I want it to be a little more simple and aesthetically pleasing. But the current problem is that this desk is not just a desk, it's also my vanity. So I have like a mirror and my hair like accessories. So if I can find a different place for those things, then I'll reorganize my desk and make it a little more simple and aesthetically pleasing. Maybe displaying this, but a lot of the times I'll journal in like my kitchen and stuff, so this will be super helpful to bring down there because it's a lot easier than trying to carry a ton of different washi tapes. This gives me so many more options. We'll see how this goes, see if I want to order more. I could see myself getting 2 more of these and them being next to each other. I don't know, I really like displaying my washi tapes. So just the colors of these are totally my color palette, so I think it just makes it so pretty. My washi tape collection, when I look at it, it's just not as aesthetically pleasing as this for me. Over here is my washi drawer. It's just kind of a lot. This is right up my alley, so I'm super excited about this. If I get more, I can display some more washi tapes that I really love, and that'd be super exciting. I feel like I'm not gonna order more until I figure out my desk area. I'm gonna put this before the outro, but technically I finished filming this and I'm back. I finally found washi tapes that will fit this cute little Lego container. They just barely fit, like it doesn't even close all the way. But I got this container thinking that it would fit my washi tapes, but all my washi tapes are actually too big for it. But these little small ones actually fit, so I'm putting the extra ones that I actually like that I couldn't fit on these in this little Lego container. That is so exciting. So now I have a cute little Lego container with washi tapes in it. I'm so pumped. Okay, now to the outro. So I think that is it for this video. We'll see how my uploading goes because I've started school now, so that will be taking up more of my time, which really sucks. Also, if you want to see more consistent content from me, go check out my TikTok. It's Cate Van Luven, Cate with a C, Cate Van Luven _ stationery, and I post every day, multiple times a day, and I produce a lot more content on there just because it's a lot easier and faster. I wish I could post more on YouTube, but it does take more time. There's just a lot more involved with making YouTube videos. I mean, that's why I love YouTube more, but yeah. So if you do want to see more from me, check out on there and shop my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is called Star Stationery Supply on Etsy. I'll have the link in the description. That is it for this video. Hopefully you enjoy. This is just kind of a random video. I will see you in my next one.